Hi everybody, it's me Tim. We're at American Car Center here at 5039 Warden Road in Sherwood, Arkansas. I have an array of vehicles for you over here. I just want to give you a little taste and, look at the current inventory. Right there we have a mid-size SUV, 2016 Chevrolet Colorado. It has about 71 or 70,000 miles on it. Next we have a 2017 Nissan Altima. Has about 60,000 miles on it, if I'm not mistaken. This next beautiful vehicle right here is a 2016 Ford Fusion. Four-door, cloth interior, has 40,000 miles on it. Next vehicle is a 2015 Nissan Altima, ladies and gentlemen. Tinted windows, cloth seats, yes, backup camera. Very nice, very elegant. All right, the next vehicle will be a 2016 Chrysler M200. Ladies and gentlemen, silver in color, cream interior, cloth seating. Of course, hook all your devices up into it by Bluetooth. Next, right up here on the front row, we have a Jeep Compass, ladies and gentlemen. Jeep Compass. We'll find out what the year is here momentarily. Four-door Jeep Compass. We'll see 5. 2015 is the year on this Jeep Compass right here, ladies and gentlemen, over here at American Car Center. Next is a Jeep, I believe it's a Jeep Patriot Sport. Jeep Patriot Sport. Red or maroon, tinted windows. It is nice. It's also a 5-seater. And listen, you got a lot of headroom in here, believe it or not. 2015 Jeep Liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, what I have right here is a Kia Soul. But believe it or not, this baby right here has a lot of room in it now. 2015 Kia Soul, low mileage, gray in color, tinted windows. It is good to go, ladies and gentlemen. The next vehicle is a 2017 Chevrolet Trax LS. It's a trim on it. 2017 Chevrolet Trax, ladies and gentlemen. 5-seater. Doing good on gas, has a 4-cylinder. This next vehicle right here is a Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, gray in color. I believe the year on this vehicle right here is a 2014. 2014 is the year on this vehicle. Ladies and gentlemen, we have some of everything over here. And also we have a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan with the store-and-go seating. Low mileage, we're looking at about 65,000 miles on this vehicle. 12 seats, backup camera, Bluetooth your devices. We have one of 2 Ford Escapes over here. That's a 2016 Ford Escape with an 8-inch display, touchscreen. Yes, Bluetooth all your devices. This vehicle right here has about 60,000 miles on it. Very nice, 5-seater. And listen, you're gonna be doing good on gas because it has Echo Boost on it, so you're gonna be doing good on gas. Safe for the environment. And we have a 2017 Patriot, ladies and gentlemen, white color, peanut butter interior, cloth seats. Also, a 5-seater. Have a white 2017 Chevrolet Trax, ladies and gentlemen. We have a handful of these. These vehicles are very popular, ladies and gentlemen. 5-seater Chevrolet Trax LS. And this vehicle right here, which is a 2017 Buick Encore. 2017 Buick Encore has about 69,000 miles on this right here. 5-seater in-dash, very nice, very great vehicle to have. The baby Enclave, ladies and gentlemen. Let me open this up. I think it's open. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. This is Buick Encore. Right here. Has all your buttons. Yes, that's a camera.
Against me, so if they don't know my style, I guess I gotta show them. If they ain't friend to me, then that makes them my enemy. So when I come around, they look goes down, they running now.
Other Ford Escape. This right here is a 2014 Ford Escape. Also very nice. Doing good on gas. It has a 4-cylinder, I believe. has about 57,000 miles on this vehicle right here at American Car Center, as low as $500 down. If you're wondering what are all the things that you need to get a vehicle over here, ladies and gentlemen, your driver's license, 2 paycheck stubs, you need to make at least $1,800 a month or more in income, and that's about it. Your down payment is as low as $500 down, ladies and gentlemen, as low as $500 down. We have a Chevrolet Malibu 2015 here. We have another Chevrolet Malibu 2016 in the year, different body style, a little bit of an upgrade. We have another 2016 Nissan Altima, ladies and gentlemen. We have a lot of great vehicles over here. We got 2017 Hyundai Sonata, gray color, very nice. Also, we have this Ford right here. Here on it makes them my enemy. So when I come around, they look goes down, they running now. Also, we have right here the 2018 Ford Fusion, light tinted windows, cloth seats. We have a 2015 Hyundai Sonata, ladies and gentlemen, red in color, peanut butter interior, very nice, very nice. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, red 2015 Hyundai Sonata. We got the Malibu right here, and also we have another Ford Fusion, like charcoal gray, black interior, 2018 Ford Fusion, ladies and gentlemen. And right down here we have a 2014 black in color Chevrolet Malibu. Ladies and gentlemen, we have some of everything over here at American Car Center. We're at 5039 Warden Road. So come on down. When others have said no, we'll say yes. We have this Jetta. This is a 2018 Volkswagen Jetta. Ladies and gentlemen, 2018 Volkswagen Jetta. Where can you get vehicles like this? American Car Center, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, we have a 2018 Nissan Sentra right here. Low in miles, of course, about 45,000 or 50,000 miles on it. Between that number right there, these vehicles are good to go. And for that individual looking for economy, you have this Chevrolet Cruze LT is the trim. You can seal Bluetooth your devices. And you're on this Cruze to the 2015, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Listen, we can turn around and take care of you over here. Bankruptcy doesn't stop anything. Repos doesn't stop anything. We're income-based, so do not try to discredit yourself an opportunity. Bring your check stub, your driver's license, a bill in your name with your name and address. Make at least $1,800 a month, and we will take care of you over here. As low as $500 down, delivered. Listen, we can take care of you over here with income based. We have a 2017 Royal Blue Chrysler M200. Peanut butter, cloth interior, of course, Bluetooth all your devices. And I mean, it's just beautiful. All these cars are great, well taken care of. We get our vehicles from fleet services. We don't go to the run-of-the-mill car auctions. We get our vehicles from fleet services. So listen, our vehicles are made to last and to get you to point A and point B. And also, if you want to turn around and take a road trip, hey, this is the vehicle to do it with. Why turn around and take a chance and take a risk with anybody else? Listen, what do you get when you get a vehicle from over here at American Car Center? You get a warranty. That's number one. A warranty, also oil changes. That's also included with the warranty. Sales tax is also included. Tag, title, license, and we get the vehicle assessed in our name. Listen, it cannot get any better than that. So all of you know what to do. Give me a call right over here at 501-255-0825. Ask for Timothy, the guy that always delivers when it comes to inventory, videos, and also customer service. We also have the nice work truck. Let me walk around this work truck before I end this video, ladies and gentlemen, because it's individuals that call over here quite frequently asking, do we have a truck? I would like a truck. When y'all gonna get a truck in? We have the truck. We have the truck in. So listen, we have the unicorn on the lot, ladies and gentlemen. Somebody come get this nice 2016 Chevrolet Colorado, the unicorn. Come get this baby right here. Yes, it is something. Let me let y'all look in here. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, can't get no better. You got Android and everything, secure devices and things like that. 71,000 miles on it. Got a little extra room back here, go to the seat or whatever back here. Yes, fire thing. Listen, this baby is good. So go. Got the cover on the back of the truck. Got the step right here. Open this bad boy up right here. Look at that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. So, no more excuses. Y'all know what to do. Y'all know, just go ahead and come on down here to American Car Center, ladies and gentlemen, where we have some of everything for